morning. Welcome to the computer class of standard 2nd. Now in semester 2 we have started lesson number 5. So open your textbook. Lesson number 5, Basic Tools in MS Paint. In our last video we have learned about different shapes in MS Paint, and also we have seen in the computer screen how to draw a shape, and we had already draw a square in our last video. So today with the new shape we have to learn continue lesson with the new tool. Come on the page number 44. Now we have to learn polygon tool. In the screen you can see that which is the polygon tool. Now look at here in the picture. This shape and this tool we called polygon tool. Now how can we apply it in the MS Paint? For this we have to do a practical in our computer. So let's start. Now you can see the screen of computer. Yes, the screen you can see is we called desktop. Okay, the first screen after starting the computer that we called desktop. In the desktop bottom has a taskbar. In the bottom we have a taskbar. In the taskbar left side you can see a rounded circle is there. Okay, so this button we called start button. You can see in the picture. Here you can see that start button is given to you. So you have to click on start button with the help of mouse. So click on the start button. Slowly you have to drag your mouse and you have to go on the start button. Now you can see our mouse arrow is on start button. So you have to just click one time. Okay. Now see, pop-up menu is given to you. When you are click on start button, a pop-up menu has been opened. From this you have to find out the program name. Which is our program name? Paint. Yes. So find out our program name. Look at here from the here. This is PowerPoint. This is calculator. Then after Excel. Then after Bandicam. Then after Paint. Yes, our program name Paint. Look at here. Yes, a color palette and brush icon is given to you, and then after you can see our program name PAINT Paint. With the help of mouse you have to just click on it. Slowly you have to do this, and now just one click on it. Now you can see our Paint program screen is opened. Now what you have to do? According to your textbook page number 44, we have to learn polygon tool. Okay, now just before few minutes I had shown you in your book which is the polygon tool. In the first line you can see here polygon tool is given to you. You can see, yes or no? Now with the help of mouse you just have to click on it. This is we called shape box. In the shape box we have to find out polygon tool. Okay, the basic interface of Paint I have already told you. The first bar we can code title bar, then after the second bar we can code menu bar, and the third one is ribbon. In the ribbon we have so many tools. Number 1, shape box we already given to us. Then after coloring palette given to us, and the so many commands for us which are help to draw and erase our shapes and drawing. Okay, it is help in to make our drawing interesting and effective. So now we have to go in shape box and we have to click on polygon tool here. Okay, so with the help of mouse, click on the polygon tool. After that, you have to make a standing line. You have to press your mouse button and you have to drag your mouse. After making a line, you have to release your mouse button. Okay, now look at here, there was 2 points, first point and second point. In the standing line, you can see there was 2 end point. Now, if you want to make a line here in the slipping line, okay, from here point to make a slipping line, then you don't have to do a drag one. Now, you have to make your mouse button here, mouse arrow you have to put it here. You can see in the screen. Yes, now you have to put your mouse button here and just do a one click like that. You can see the line has been clicked and has been drawn in our paint program. Now you have to make a standing line from here like this. This one standing line we have to draw also here. Now what we have to do? We don't have to make a line. We just have to make a mouse button here. Okay, mouse arrow you have to put it here on the in front of the end point. Okay, and just one click it here. Now you can see the line has been drawn. Okay, now another one. If you want to draw a line here on the upward side, then how can you draw? From here. Look at here. Yes. Now another one. From here to end another point of the line. According to your textbook page number 45, we have to make a close shape. So to make a close shape, we have to make a line from here to here. Two end point we have to cover. So how can we cover? Like that. Look at here. Yes. Now our shape has been done. This is the way how you can use the polygon tool. With the help of polygon tool, you can make any of the close drawing. You don't need line tool with the all time. Okay, now another one. We can again click on polygon tool. We have to click again on the polygon tool. Then after we make a line. Okay, now here, look at here on the screen, we have to put our mouse arrow here. And now you have to just one time click. Okay, then our shape will be drawn. The line has been done. Now another, we have to make a V sign. V for Vidhi ma'am na? So look at that, we have to make V. Okay, so another line we have to draw, but we don't have need to draw this line. We just have to make sure here is the end point. On in front of that, we have to just put our mouse arrow and click on it. Just one time you have to click. Now you can see the line has been drawn with the polygon tool. Now here is a standing line. So we have to draw standing line here. How can we draw? Yes, we have to take our mouse arrow upside here. Okay, now our mouse arrow is here. Now you have to just one time click and the standing line has been made. Understand this one? Now look at here, this one is okay. Now we have to make reverse V. Then what we have to do? We have to put our mouse arrow here and we have to just one time click on it. Okay, and then after, if we want to make a line here, then our mouse arrow will be here. Okay, so put your mouse arrow here. Just you have to drag. Look at here, our mouse arrow is here, and then after you have to just one time click, and now our shape has been drawn. This is the way how you have to use the polygon tool in your picture. With the help of polygon tool, you can make so many pictures. Now the coloring a shape. In last video and in this video, in two video we learn about how to draw a shape. So with the help of mouse you have to take different shape and you have to make so many interesting picture in your computer at your home. Okay, you have to take different shapes and you have to do a practice how you have to drag and drop and you have to make a picture. Now so many arrows, so many shapes. Okay, you have to do like this. In the next video we have to learn about to color a shape, how we have to fill these colors in our picture. So it's time to say bye bye and wait and watch for the new video for the learning the coloring a shape. Bye bye all of you.